This one.
Be careful.
When we release suction, I'm going to kill my verts and close the box at the same time.
Roger.
So maybe we have an extra second.
Okay.
All right, Roger, coming up. Zeroing, dual train.
Oh.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Tilt down a little.
Tilting down. Tooling out, one bump. There we
Okay.
go.
Close it, close it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Goal!
So that's
Sample
number
there, Data?
110.
110.
Fitting.
All right.
So you can write plural brank.
Okay.
Plural.
That was cool.
Section's off, is it?
Yeah, section's off.
Weird plural brank.
Is that how you spell pluribranch? Oops, I forgot the N.
Yeah, that's right.
Let's get a better grip for the start.
So you guys, we might not be able to open that box anymore for the urchin.
All right, let's drop the urchin idea for now and just let's drive a little bit.
Roger.
That was so cool.
So I don't need this then.
Are pluroblanks venomous?
I don't know much about them. I don't think so, but
You guys got a whole mystery coming up on this one.
let's park.
Caution here.
Roger. Thanks, Dan.
Thank you, that was fun.
That was awesome.
Slurp.
Make sure that's full in.
Ooh, is he in the flush jar now, or no? That got your hand over the end of the shop vac thing.
Forearm, Sea Star. Is that common? You want to just do a quick zoom in there?
Were you talking, Steve?
Yeah.
No, we were just
Oh, okay.
discussing amongst ourselves.
That's great. Thanks,
that's
Emily.
fine.
You want to
Fine,
pull a
it's
little
all-
bit wide, please?
Yep.
I didn't know if you were saying something.
Thanks.
All right, so we're kind of around waypoint 9. Do you want to head?
That's great, Emily. Go ahead
way
and come wide,
or
please.
that
Come
way?
on.
Yeah, let's
Thank
just
you.
go perpendicular to the contours and
This
as-
way.
Yeah, until you say we can't go anymore.
That white line is our 250.
Okay.
Um,
And everything's okay with the ship,
Sorry.
yeah, it seems to be.
the
There
bridge.
you go.
They're not concerned.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're deep enough. We just have to. The recovery arrangement, we'll just have to take some thought.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to change our ship moves to. Are you okay with this step in still? It seems that that's the place we
Yeah.
want to go.
It's what, maybe like 3 or 4 steps tops.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to go 350.
350, Roger.
350.
Bridge move.
So I saw
Bridge
a number
nav.
of fish.
Trees.
I think we should try and get some imagery of fish while we see
30 meter step bearing
All right.
350.
Imagery of fish.
species here.
Let me know when you
Thank you.
see fish.
Yep, I will point them out. Is that another octopus? No.
I think that's a hermit crab.
Yep.
That's Argus looking, 350.
Roger, thank you.
Quicker. All right.
No.
All right. Steve, I'm stealing some M&Ms.
All right, if you're just coming online with us, we started out this dive about 20 some odd hours ago at about 1,800 feet. We've been steadily climbing our way up to a target of 250 meters. We're currently around 300 meters or so, heading towards Jarvis Island. This is now officially the shallowest deep water dive in the history of mankind.
You want to come up a little bit there, Dan?
Lots and lots of hermit crabs.
Yeah, so is it any sign of hard targets in the sonar, or is it mostly just the slope?
It looks just like a slope right now. I don't see anything that's really glaring back at us.
Okay.
But maybe that shadow. Yeah, might be just noise too. Pretty jittery there, huh? Huh.
Can I steal some M&Ms after you, Jess?
Yeah, you go ahead and hold them for me. Forever. In your stomach.
Hey, is that a potato?
Yeah, I think that's a potato.
Oh, yeah.
Almost beat
Potato.
Steve's magic eyes.
You want to look at it?
Yeah. Any
Look
space in
at
the
it.
starboard box?
Do you want to somehow...
Like, can we like sneak it in the starboard box in a potato-sized hole?
Do you think it'll eat the coral? Because there's a coral
No,
in every box.
not that fast. Yeah.
Okay. D. D for difficult. Only has one coral.
Yeah, I don't want to open
We
it
don't want to open it all the way.
all the way, yeah.
We might be able to sneak it in E.
Is that forward or aft?
Forward. There's two smallish rocks and then a coral.
So we're going to grip this with the jaws then if we go into the starboard. Just let you know.
Yeah.
All right. Rennie, you want to give me some... That's great. Go ahead.
So just, you know, just caution, obviously we have a lot in the starboard box, so we'll need to open it really slow, and if there's any sign of leakage of samples, we'll abort. Because I think we've reached our capacity here.
All right. Yeah, we'll try sneaking it in. We could potentially, because that swimmer that we just collected was also quite big, we might be able to sneak it in the front.
Yeah, I don't want to risk it.
Risking corals over this blob.
I don't think we're going to see any more corals, but we may. We'll see.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, group force goes down. This one's about
4
5.
or 5, yeah.
Yeah, that's a good point. Sorry, did you guys want an image of this before I collect it?
Yeah, quickly, please.
Yeah, that's true. I can try it out. Go ahead, video and push in there, please.
When's the last time someone reset those? Because I remember, I think it was last year.
I'm gonna bump one up. Hold that.
We were having a conversation about grip forces, and then a craft guy was listening. He's like, you know, you can reset those. Like wrote it in as a comment or something like that.
Got it. Thank you.
It's trying
No
to
worries.
escape.
It's
You
on
wanna
the
come?
move.
You wanna come wide there, video? That's perfect. Thank you. Yeah, we put it down to. Well, we'll see.
This is going to be really, probably going to be really soft.
Very gentle.
Oh, it's 4.
Yeah, they might have re-indexed them. Because it used to be 5 was the only one. Now it's down to 3. Plus we're shallower.
3's working.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is 2. I think I can feather it here. This is 2. That could work.
Just tap it in.
Yeah. Stand by.
Awesome.
So far, hopefully it doesn't crack. All right, video, go ahead and push in on this sample here real quick. I'll move it out of the spines of the other one. That's good. I know when you got your screen grab there.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay, come wide there, please, Emily. All right, so starboard has a bunch of floaty bits, hey. All right, I'm just gonna baby this across.
Let me know when you want starboard salvo.
Roger, stand by.
See an Argus as well.
Yeah, all right, you can go ahead and switch me over on views. Oh, hello, bucket. Oh, you're good. Sure thing.
Oops, there goes all your M&M.
No, Justin's gonna kill us. Just don't tell him.
I already heard.
There it is.
Yeah, during the tornado. Yeah, you can go ahead and disable it, and then Rennie, if you want to keep an eye on 13 there.
Yep.
And then we're just gonna do like a crack open. SB, yeah, go ahead. All right, it's good. That's all right, I think. Gonna do a small bump out. Okay, yeah, just like a micro bump. Another micro. One more micro. Do maybe a bit more. Okay, hold that. Trying to hold it vertical, but I don't think I'll be able to make it. Oops, other way.
Herc's gonna look like a sea monster when he comes up. Everything's sticking out of the side.
Doesn't look like he belongs in a disco.
There it is.
Great.
Well done.
Sample number 111.
Roger that, 111.
All right.
Box
so
of peanut snakes.
that was a totally unknown species we just collected.
Cool.
So hopefully that adds to the biodiversity that's known about the monument here.
What's the name that I'm marking down here?
Just put
Too far up.
irregular urchin. We can probably on the sample sheet though we'll put this scientific name.
Do you guys want to see if we can get a black urchin with it?
No, let's avoid let's avoid pressing our luck. No, that's all right.
ROV team's always like, so you want us to do more things with the arm, please?
Yeah, we're pressing our luck, I think, for box capacity, and we also have to process all of these. So we're gonna press gang some of the science team.
Yeah.
We're currently at 22 samples.
22. Okay.
22 samples.
Roger.
Crazy. Not crazy. Yeah, we got a lot of
Not out there.
associates though,
That is true.
so we'll have to work through those.
Onward to our upslope point. Steve?
Yeah, let's try and do it. And
Oh, I'm getting some sediment in there. Coming up.
so let's see what local time is now. 3.
Local time is 2.
Okay. We might actually finish earlier.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna call in that move 350.
Roger, go ahead. Emily,
Bridge
you want to
nav.
push past Mongo in the shot, please? Thank you.
One more step, 30 meters, bearing 350.
And Steve, to confirm, you also want views of fish.
Yeah, I'd like to get some images of fish if we see them. They're mostly going to be small fish, probably really hard to focus on, but we'll do our best.
Sure. For the small fish, I'll just set down in front of them and hope they don't run away.
Yeah, they're a little active.
Thanks, Dan. What? I think it's struggling, yeah. All right. There's a fish here. first. All right, video, you want to push in again?
This is a little squid. Oh no, it's not a squid.
All right, you want to hold that, please, video? Maybe come a little bit wide. That's great.
Okay. Yeah, give yourselves plenty of time. Okay.
Looks like it. Video, you want to push in there a bit, please? That's good.
Yeah, so my thoughts for the rest of the dive, if we make it to that contour, we go up there and we go to the west, along the western, towards waypoint 10 proper. Yeah, and then we'll just keep going west, northwest in this case, until we have to off bottom.
All right, video, go ahead and come wide there, please. Coming up.
Roger.
Okay, yep, I understand.
Okay, enough of that.
Bridge, nav.
I'm a little curious,
Oh,
front row
I'm not going
pilots.
to do that right now.
What's up?
Would you feel comfortable doing lights off on Herc to see if what the ambient light is, if there's any?
Yeah, for sure. Let's do it.
Oh, here's all of our.
Oh my gosh.
Make shot
Whole-
fire.
Here's all of our
There.
samples.
Yeah,
All the seed potatoes are here.
yeah.
Lasers only off. So then
Right,
doesn't
so
look like there's
pretty,
any ambient
pretty
yet.
dark still, yeah.
Yeah.
It's getting some ambient light too from Argus.
Yeah, we got probably about 100 meters before we start to get some light, I would think.
I need to come up a bit.
That's my guess, 200 meters.
Yeah, 250. You might start seeing crustose, coral and algae
Yeah.
a little bit. We'll see. 200 for sure, you'll be seeing that. But won't make it there.
All right, once you get ahead, and
There's another
Yeah.
sea
I'll
hare.
just call another one in.
That first
Danny, you want to come up on the
species
delta a
A.
bit there?
Coming up.
I think that was a known species. Sea hare.
I'm sorry. Did you want to go look at that?
No, no.
I was just trying to
no,
get in
it
front of
was
Argus.
just saying there's another one that we saw earlier.
So
the
sea hares, are they nudibranchs?
No, they're
Oh, they're gastropods, right?
they're they're all gastropods, but so there's a subgroup called opistobranchs that the sea hares belong to.
So
Yeah.
nudibranch is a gastropod. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Filling in my mental gaps here.
Yep. So nudibranch, opistobranch, and plurobranch are all separate groups within the gastropods.
Got it.
Can we zoom in on some of those two fishes right there? They have really long snouts.
Sure. Sure thing. All right, video, go ahead and push in there. Aw, they're cute. Let's have a look at this guy.
Swimming furiously there.
All right, go ahead and push in a bit there, video. Swimming like us, quite furiously. Come wide there, please. That's good. Do you want to tilt down?
I know I've seen that fish before, so just give me a minute and I'll get you a better ID.
Go ahead and push in there a little bit, Emily. That's great. Thank you.
Back.
All right, go ahead and push in a bit more, Emily. That's good. Ah, he's sweeping. He's cleaning the seafloor. Come a little wide there, Emily. You want me to keep on looking at this guy, or you want me to move on?
No, we can move on. Thank you.
All right, you want to come full wide there, Emily? Thank you.
Where is our Hercules SBL? Ah, it's under the cloud of ship points.
There we go. Halamochirurgus. That is the name. That is the genus name of this fish. I will write it in the chat.
Bridge nav.
Oh, what's that shiny thing here? That bright yellow?
One more step, 30 meters,
You want to push in a
350.
bit there, video, please?
Yeah, let's look at it.
Thank you.
Cup coral? That's good.
Yeah, it's cup coral, all right.
It's very vibrant.
Mm.
All right, go ahead and come wide there, video.
I'm really resisting the urge to sample that, but I think we'll call it a day. Unless we see something truly spectacular.
We could do a really small pinch. I don't know if we'd actually get that between the claws.
There's still room in the suction hose.
Yeah,
For
we got suction, right? We're gonna call it the suction hose menagerie soon.
sequential suction hose sampling.
Things that are partially stuck in there.
What's that fish?
That's a cool fish.
Might be the one we saw earlier.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
The robin fish, is that what you called it?
Yeah, it looks like a type of sea robin.
You want to go ahead and push in there a little bit, Emily?
Laser zoom.
Laser zoom. I'll do one bump down.
Wow, strange looking creature.
Yeah.
Oh, my apologies, fish.
Great. Thank you very much.
All right, go ahead and come wide there, video. You want to see this fish too, here, Steve?
Yeah, yeah. This is like extremely fertile ground for fish species discovery.
Roger. Go ahead and push in there, video.
Species, because
It's blind.
it's really tough to get down here. First of all,
Hold that.
and actually a lot of fishes are being described and newly discovered from the
There's a little coral there too.
Submesophotic.
Oh yeah,
Just to your left.
a little cup coral.
Yep.
I think he's a coral.
I think you're right. Yeah, it was a cup coral, that one.
So
You want me to get in a little bit closer? Can you
I
identify it from it?
He's not going to be cooperative. It's kind of hidden, the caudal fin.
All right, we can push in a little bit more video if you want.
Sure, if you got it. Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, that's awesome.
They're not online right now, but there are fish biologists who are going to go crazy over these photos. So great.
All right,
All that good captures. And
Roger.
move
You
on.
want to come wide there, video?
Do you have a family, you think, for this fish?
Whatever I say, I'll probably be wrong. So, no.
Huh.
Poor guy.
Got it.
Poor
Right.
guy. Coming up.
Roger. Position on the Argus cam has lost its brain.
Oh.
I don't think that's 135 degrees, but that's what it's telling me.
Roger.
It's crazy. I must have double tapped initialize or something. Not
So
sure
we
what I
got
did.
two
Whoa.
anemones on our porch.
Whoa, how did that
Urchins.
I mean urchins, yeah,
Yeah.
sorry, wrong one.
happen? That
Just did it on purpose while you weren't watching. So.
so she had a master plan and
did,
she
did you
executed
just scoop
it.
those?
We were talking about that, but earlier, but
There they are.
didn't mean to do it right now.
Yeah, watch out. Don't want to recover and someone discover those where they're supposed to be. Or
Well,
in the
we'll
vehicle.
see if we can keep them on the vehicle then, if you want.
I doubt they're going to stay, but we can try.
If anything, we can.
Worst case scenario, they come back down, right?
Indeed.
Can we zoom eventually, maybe on one of these white fans? I've noticed a few of them.
Sure. We get the shake on that. Yeah, I'll go the one that's a little bit above.
Some good light on it would be, yeah, helpful.
Oh,
Looks very low contrast.
yeah.
Ooh, starting to see some black corals too.
Sorry.
Some coily ones.
All right, video. Go ahead and do a quick zoom there, and if I'll have to reset us up a bit. You want to come wide, please? A little wide. That's good. Go ahead and push in there, please, video.
Okay, so it is an octocoral. I got nothing.
You want a sample, don't
Can't
you?
even tell.
You want me to get closer to see the polyps?
I don't even know if that'll help. It's a plexaurid, I think.
Roger, understood. I can jump up and get forward if you want. If you want to see polyps.
Yeah, sure. Well, if we were to do a sample in the slurp,
Uh-huh.
and
There's a lot of coral bits in there.
this is pretty distinct.
It's becoming its own bio box.
Right, the biotube.
Yeah.
The biotube.
Yeah.
Hey, I've seen it worse.
We can, yeah, we can stick it on the jar next to it with the mesh and see what happens.
I mean, if we get one or two thin branches, right, without too many branch points, it should go through pretty, without folding up on itself, I hope.
Possible.
Hey, Rennie, you want to do some stick lock there? Go ahead.
But it would have to be a really small piece.
Let's have a quick zoom. Go ahead and go push in there, video. Let's see if auto heading will do me any favors. You get some polyp action there, yeah.
What do we got here? Octocoral, man, I don't know. Plexaurid, I would guess.
You want to come a little wide there, video? I'm
Yeah,
starting
sure.
to drift.
If we park the suction sampler, if Mongo has the suction sampler, or you just leave it there, you could nip off a little piece and just feed the suction sampler.
Yeah.
Sorry?
If you just nip off a little piece and feed it to the suction sampler where it is,
Mm-hmm.
then it might go through. It's worth a try.
Worth a try, yeah.
You said there was good suction, right?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, well, let's try it.
Sorry, I'm repositioning myself here.
What's a good jar?
6 is...
5, 6, or 7 are open.
All right, Rennie. I actually got that one. All right.
6 might have a little contamination in them for me trying to,
Or 7 was?
That's true.
Was it?
whatever the one next to the flush jar there is to the right.
That's 7.
7.
Yeah.
So
7.
5 or 6.
Video, go ahead and push in on the coral while we wait. So Dan, you're talking about holding the suction with Mongo and then...
No, I think it has enough room under there now. So if you just nip a little piece off and put it next to the suction,
Uh-huh. Oh, okay, I see
and then let
then.
go of it, and it sucks it up the tube.
Yeah, that's a good point. Okay.
So we're getting flow through it.
Did you guys get... You guys still have video on her, correct?
Did anyone get it to flash black in the back row? Did Herc flash black in the back
Did it-
row?
No,
Okay.
no flash.
So it's just a
it's
screen.
your
Just
screen.
this one.
Okay. This sounds like a good plan of attack.
Yeah, so we still got flow through there, as you can see.
Yeah, I like it. Oh. Emily, you want to come wide there, please? That's great, thank you.
Those urchins are falling off.
No.
Yeah.
Jar 6.
Jar 6.
You know, I'm not even sure if this is on hard ground. It might be on rubble.
Looks like it's, yeah, on rubble. We can poke it afterwards if you want.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it doesn't matter. I just want to make sure it doesn't all come up, you know.
Sure thing. Video, you want to push in a little bit there?
You're going to be
That's good.
really close to meso there. So
Yeah. Just keep an eye on the meso cam.
Excuse me.
You want to actually keep you want to look down at meso cam a little bit there, Dan? On the bubble. I want to change my grip for us.
As long as you keep your jaw in the bubble picture, you're all right. Just a little guy.
A little bit?
Yeah. Start with a little piece.
Yeah. I'll go for this top one here. I don't know if I got anything in that. Let me see. Nada.
Perfect.
All right, let's see what we got in here. We got small pieces, which is good.
I think that's enough.
Okay. You guys want to do a push-in for the sample?
Yeah.
Go ahead and push in a little bit there, Emily.
Okay.
Roger, thank you.
Good focus, yep.
Got it.
Okay.
No, I got nothing for you.
Roger. All right,
Okay,
Emily, you want to come wide a bit?
Into the box.
That looks
Into
good.
the slurp.
That's perfect, Emily. Thank you. All right, so we're in agreement that we're going to suction this guy up.
We are.
Emily, you want to push in there a bit, please? That's great.
Bubbles on there too for the 90 out.
I'm on a rock there. How about I come up a little bit and then
Yeah, just float.
just float and do it?
And use your fancy auto XY thing.
Yeah.
All right. This thing is rumored to have auto depth and auto altitude, so.
Yeah. It's rumors.
Rumors. I've never tested it.
Let's try it out here. Goodbye, Mr. Urchin. Auto depth is not being happy.
Try auto out. You should be all right.
That's auto seabed engagement there.
Yeah, sometimes we just cycle the auto depth in order to make it happy, and sometimes it's just the PID. Let's try again.
Auto altitude might be happier.
Yeah, that's not very good, is it? All right, trying again. Auto alt. Oh, that's full down. Let's try auto depth.
You can just float. Just let it float with your Z bias. You won't go that far. We'll keep an eye on you.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna float.
I find it flies much better if I remove my hands from the controls.
All right, Dan, you ready on the
Yep, you got full jam.
full jam, Roger?
Huh. There it goes. Give it a love tap.
Yeah.
I think it might still have some yellow coral stuck in there. There goes a piece. Let's see if it goes to the jar.
We're going to have bits hanging out of every possible orifice on this vehicle when it hits the surface.
Yeah.
Bits hanging off the porch, bits out of
And
the boxes.
that means we've had a good dive.
Yes, it does.
Mm-hmm.
At least for us.
See what Suna and Jamie have to say about that.
All right. It looks like everything is out of the hose view. We'll see if it gets in. Not, I can give it a little shake.
Yep, give it a shake.
Video, you want to come wide there?
Come on, wide.
That's great. Thank you.
I'm going to try pushing a button here while you're playing around.
Sure thing.
Page are you on? That's great.
On the autos, yeah. Auto out gave me 100% vert down, like right now.
It does. That's Fleacher. Oh, and auto depth gives you the opposite. So you just cycle one, then the other.
You saying auto out doesn't work?
No,
So
yeah.
that's auto out on, full vertical
down.
full vertical down. Is that down? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And then
Interesting.
the auto depth, full vertical up.
Why?
Don't know, but something to write in the.
Yeah, it's happened
a
before.
known
Usually,
issue?
yeah. Usually we'll oh, looks like this is working. Usually when we first get to the bottom, we'll cycle the auto altitude and the auto X wide a couple times, and usually that's enough to, after cycling it about 4 times, 3 or 4 times it.
You mean turn it on and off?
Yeah, right now it's not doing it, which is unfortunate, but usually when we first get to the
now it
bottom.
works. Look at that.
Yeah, see, it's weird.
Did it drop in? Nope.
All right, how about I hold this to the side, Dan, if you want to keep milking it, and
Yeah, sure. A mouse clicked it into submission.
mouse clicked into submission, and then we'll start moving some more so we can cover more ground. So
Futile attempt here, but
yeah.
Do you want to sample, what's that number, 112?
Correct. Sample 112.
Oh, sorry.
In the hose with all the other bits. 280.
Oh, there's a couple of Chonaks on the seafloor.
All right. All right, Steve.
Yeah.
So we're gonna look around while Dan does his
futile attempt.
does some milking action with the arm.
I'm going to go 340, 30 meters once you get a little bit ahead in Argus.
Yeah, sure thing.
Because we're shallow, so the steps will translate pretty quick.
Yeah, for sure.
Bunch of Chonaks on that rock. You still got suction through it, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so it can't be too bad.
Coming up.
Oh, I see what's happening. Our azimuth is. Roger.
Hey, Emily, you want to do me a favor? You want to pull up a little bit on the winch?
All right.
All right, Rennie, I'm ahead. If you want to go ahead and call on the move.
Bridge
It's my
nav.
job now, Dan.
Roger that.
It's a multi-person.
You should send your dad 2 invoices.
Huh?
30 meter step bearing 340.
We call that double dipping.
That's great, Emily. Thank you.
We're 30 meters off the deck there.
Yeah.
So this is the last watch for this dive. We do have plans to be on deck at 4 p.m.
Or later.
No, we're decided.
Yeah, I think she
Has it?
erased the approximates.
Oh, that option is no longer on the whiteboard.
And then this is it, right? This is the last dive for this.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Then
Maybe.
Polly
Maybe.
Wogs
Ooh, I like the maybe.
would be punished.
There's a maybe in there.
Yes.
Is there a maybe? Awesome.
Hot dang, guys.
No promises yet.
Sure. Let's have a look over here. If it's too futile, I also, I mean,
Is it bugging you now? After
I don't know, but
stuff moving in the camera usually drives me nuts.
as long as I know what's moving.
Can't stop looking at it.
What are those 2 small, are those
Is it there?
Circles?
at
Those
9 o'clock?
two small circles.
Stars,
Two small.
star-shaped things. 9
At
o'clock.
9
2
o'clock.
small branching structures between all the urchins.
The Brisingid stars, maybe?
Are those Brisingid?
Can't tell.
Couldn't tell. They've got
Yeah.
like a lot of,
Maybe they're crinoids.
These ones here?
yeah, the pink ones.
Oh, they're Brisingids, it looks like.
Okay.
You can see in the center of that one in the foreground.
Yeah, Brisingid. Okay.
All right, video, go ahead and push in a bit. We'll just
Zooming
take a
in.
look.
Yep.
Oh, there's a fish playing house maintenance. Also, get off my lawn maintenance.
That was the fish we were trying to look at before.
I think so.
I
So
think that one's different.
So whatever we've done, we've.
Okay, Brisingid, yeah.
Is it gonna retract? Come on.
Thanks.
oh, he's like eating or something.
Sorry.
All right, well,
All right, go ahead and come wide there, Emily.
Come on.
Do an on-the-fly DVO.
Sure.
I suspect our sound speed has changed a bit. I think that's why it's getting off.
well, I thought it would be a little bit harder, but it's pretty soft and sedimented around here, around where are we? 268 meters. 18 more meters until we hit our hard limit.
No joint.
Roger. Video, you want to push in a little bit there? Just a half zoom. Yeah, there you go. It's getting everything out of you.
I really thought that one would go in because it was so kind of wavy. It wasn't very rigid. It was only one single branch.
I think it's clogged with the yellow one.
Yeah?
I don't think we fully got all the yellow bit from before.
Seem to have a traffic jam
And
somewhere.
then there was another, it might be clogged
Do you
from
wanna
before
come up on the
last
winch there,
watch,
Dan?
too.
Coming up.
Good thing all 3 in the hose are distinguishable.
Yeah,
Yeah.
fish them
Right.
out.
Hopefully they're in the hose somewhere.
Yeah.
So they've magically.
Do some endoscope search.
You have one?
Do we have one?
No. That'd be cool though, right?
Harbor Freight, $9.99.
Do they drone deliver?
Do they drone deliver? Yes. Sorry about the shift there.
I have some
Okay.
cheapo eBay one at home. It works pretty well. It's like $20. What am I doing?
Just gonna, the ship's doing it, settling, and I'll not miss my moment to call another one. So
It's here, sorry?
it's doing a little settling.
Sure.
I can't call a move in right now, or it'll react.
Sure thing. Dan, you want to come down a little bit in the delta?
Do
Coming
your
down.
thing to look at stuff.
Yeah.
In the meantime.
Gonna come down.
So we've got the suction jars on there, or the button is backwards. You would think forward goes like 1, 2, 3.
I think.
I think it's just the way they put on the jars.
The jars are on backwards.
Yeah. 20 on the delta.
Roger.
Want down more?
Yeah. Please.
Coming down.
So that I don't keep tugging you.
Just gonna look, see what happens.
Steve, we can't hear you.
It's a need to know.
I'm just having a conversation with Nav about plan.
Roger. So you still want to get to waypoint 10 then there, Steve?
Yeah, let's keep going, push up to that 250 limit and poke around, and if it looks pretty similar, then we'll see what our options are.
All right, I'm gonna do another step there. 340. Bridge nav.
And then I'm curious, so when we do reach the 250 isobath, we'll
One
do
more step, 30
another lights
meters,
off
bearing
maybe and see if we can
340.
see any light,
Sure.
Thank you.
ambient light, because this might be our last opportunity.
Sure thing. I mean, we want to see lights off right now too, and
I mean, yeah, we're pretty much close enough. Difference of 14 meters isn't going to do much of a difference. We can try.
looks
Still
like
pretty
everything's
darn dark. Okay,
pretty darn dark.
not quite.
Was that iris open, lights off, or?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the iris was open. I can shut it off if you want to do it again.
No, we want to open it up all the way.
Or open it all the way. Either way.
Yeah, I mean, worth a shot.
Can you tilt the camera up a little bit, maybe? See if
Sure.
there's any.
Yeah, you should be able to see up.
Gonna try irising open all the way there.
Yep, all the way open.
Yeah.
Roger.
Lasers
all
are
we got.
present.
All right.
Alright,
You
you
can,
can iris down now.
You can turn off all your forward lights and look up, and just leave the aft lights on so you see where you are. And look up as much as you can.
That's looking at the bar right there.
Yeah,
Yeah, not seeing anything.
Nope.
I see nothing.
Nothing.
250 meters was optimistic.
Yeah.
I think we have to go at least another 30, 40 meters vertical. Yeah. If there was any light, you would see biology on the seafloor, like purple crustose coralline algae and things like that. It's usually the first indicator. Usually they can get a few photons of light before it's visible.
Yeah, the only problem is like if we do if we get into like a lot of light, then we would have to white balance again. Because then we'd have the effect of the light and the Herc lights.
That's a good point.
Move is called in, so should be heading there, and then
It's the joys of cameras.
And have an auto iris mode?
do some.
Doesn't it have an auto iris mode?
It does. But it would be a change in light.
Sure.
What's that? Yeah, I did. It was all right.
Roger.
You didn't see me strafe, did you? Well, I show you.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever that is. Where it usually is.
Greater than 5.
Whatever that number is.
It's a good number. I can't remember what. I need a decoder ring here. Just randomly pushing buttons.
I think you want 3.
3.
Hey, there's a yellowfish
3
in the lower
fail.
right corner.
Lower left?
Lower right.
Or Roger, sorry.
That's 4. That's 5. 6. 7's nothing. 8's nothing. Oh, 9. That makes sense. So it's 2 and 9. It's 2, 9.
All right,
Fail.
video, go ahead and push in there.
Pushing in.
That's good. You want to come a little wide there, Emily?
Yeah, sure.
That's good. Hold that.
Yeah, what kind of fish is that? I don't know
Oh,
if
no.
I've ever seen something like that.
I'm going to park here and we'll take a good look. All right, Emily, go ahead and push in.
Oh,
I
there's a
didn't
little
even
bit
see
of,
there was a
Sorry.
fish there.
you see that shell has a little bit of purple?
Sorry, guys.
No way to tell if it's rolled downhill though. There's a little bit of purple
Where do you see the shell?
below the fish.
Below.
Look
Barely
at
out
that
of
fish though. Look at those scales. It's like a dragon.
Rack back a little.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
Yep. No,
I'll do one more and then we can get
no
a better
problem.
look.
No, yeah, the target's the fish. I was just noting that the shell has purple on it, which is not a normal color for those
Go ahead
types
and push
of
in a bit
snails.
there.
That's full zoom.
That's full. Roger.